everyone, welcome to the MCQ Practice Series of Drishti IAS. I am Ritu and today's session is on Harappa Civilization, and this is the episode 2 of the MCQ Practice Series. I hope you liked the first one. So moving towards the first question, which of the following is not a Harappan site? And your options are Chanhudro, 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐒, Sohgora, Desalpur, and here the answer is 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐒. So moving towards the explanation part. So the explanation is Chanhudro and 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐒 are currently located in Sindh province of Pakistan, and both these sites are located on the banks of Indus River. So here in prelims examination, people also ask question that Chanhudro and 𝐸𝐴𝐷𝐒 are situated on which bank river. So here you must know that it is situated on the Indus River. Then come to the Desalpur. Desalpur is a Harappan site located in Kutch, Gujarat of present-day India, while Sohgora is located near Gorakhpur, UP, from where copper plate inscription of the Mauryan period have been found. Hence, option C is correct. So, here they are asking that Sohgora is a Harappan site or not. So, Sohgora is not a Harappan site, it is a Mauryan site. Then, Sohgora inscription mentioned keeping granaries as one of the measures to deal with the famine. So this is also important for your prelims examination, that what is the importance of Sohgora inscription. Moving towards the next question. Next question is, with reference to the Harappan culture, which of the following statement is false? The first statement is the people of this culture were the first to produce cotton, and the second one is people of this period used iron tools. Third one is people of this period used to produce peas and mustard, and the fourth one is remains of plowshared fields have been found in Kalibanga. So here the answer would be the B, because they didn't use the iron tools. We didn't have any evidence, though they used the bronze tools. Moving towards the explanation part, people of the Harappan culture used tools made of the stone and bronze. So the iron is the wrong one. And the people of Indus Valley civilization used to grow grains like wheat, barley, rice, peas. Relics of barley have been found in Banavali. So you must know this statement also, that from Banavali what kind of evidences they have found, and then the credit for producing cotton for the first time goes to the people of Indus Valley civilization. This one is also very much important, that which civilization was the first one to produce cotton. Then it is the Indus Valley civilization. Since cotton was the first produced in Indus region, the Greeks started calling it Sindan, and which is derived from the word Sindhu, which is also known as the Sindhu Valley civilization. People of this period used to produce sesame and mustard. So this one is also true. Remains of plough fields have been found in Kalibanga. So this is also one of the fact which is true. Moving to the next question. Next question is, with reference to religious practice of the Harappan culture, which of the following statement is not correct? And here they are asking the not correct. People of this culture used to worship the mother goddess. Tree and animal worship was prevalent in this culture. During this period, temples were built for worship. People of this period used to wear talismans to protect themselves from the evil. So in this, option C is the wrong one. And why it is the not correct? Because during this period, temples were built for worship. We don't have any evidence from Harappan culture where it tells that temples were built for the worship. Though we have evidences for the nature worshipping and other things, but we do not have any such kind of the evidence. So moving to the explanation part, the people of Harappan culture worshipped gods in the form of trees, animals and humans, but they did not build temples for the gods. During that period, temples were built in Egypt and Mesopotamia. So here you also got the knowledge about that in Egyptian civilization, in Mesopotamian civilization, there is evidence of temples or not. So there was an evidence of temple in Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization, but in Harappan culture we don't have such kind of the evidences. Then the people of Harappan culture considered the earth to be the goddess of fertility and worshipped her in the same manner. It is noteworthy that Harappa, a baked clay sculpture, show a plant emerging from a woman's womb. This is probably the statue of earth goddess, and people of Indus region used to worship trees and animals. Among these, the most important animals were one-horned unicorn, which could be a rhinoceros, and the humped bull was also worshipped. So these are the things we have got from the Indus Valley civilization: one-horned unicorn and also the humped bull. People of Harappan culture believed in ghosts. To protect themselves from evil, they used to wear talismans. So this is also right. Moving to the next one. Next is, which of the following culture was known by the name Meluha? And your options are Egypt, Mesopotamia, Indus and Sumeria. And your answer is C, which is Indus. You should not confuse it with the Mesopotamia, because in Mesopotamian evidences, Meluha word has been used for the Indus Valley civilization. So this is the answer and this would be the explanation. So you should not here confuse between the Indus Valley civilization and Mesopotamian civilization, because in Mesopotamian civilization, Meluha word has been used, and there were two trade center whose name is Dilmun and Magan. Coming to the next one. In the context of expansion of Harappan culture, the term Cholistan has been used for which region? Thar Desert, some areas of Gujarat, the desert area of Pakistan adjacent to the Thar Desert, Harappan sites of Jammu and Kashmir, Harappan sites found from the Sindh region, and your answer would be the B. Coming to the next one. Explanation. In the Harappan culture, the word Cholistan has been used to the desert area of Pakistan adjacent to the Thar Desert, and it is counted among the early developed cultures. 239 settlements were also found here. So here you must know the nitties-gritties of the Harappan civilization and the Cholistan area. Then coming to the next one. With reference to the agriculture technology of the Harappan civilization, consider the following statement. And the first one is, the drawing of Taurus on the seals and the clay figurines found show that Harappans used oxen to plow the fields. A model of a plow made of clay has been recovered from the Lothal. Archaeologists have found the evidence of plow fields at the Kalibangan. So here they are asking that which one is correct, and answer is C. Then coming to the explanation part. There is ample evidence from Harappan seals clay sculpture that Harappans were familiar with the Taurus. So here you must know this fact. Then archaeologists also believe that oxen must have been used to plow the fields. So this one is also correct. Plow models made of clay have been recovered from the areas like Banawali and Cholistan, not the Lothal. So that's why the 2 is wrong. And archaeologists have found the evidence of plow fields in Kalibangan, Rajasthan. And you must know that where Kalibangan is situated. So it is located in present day Rajasthan, which is associated with the early Harappan level. And in this field, 2 sets of plow lines have been found intersecting with each other, which shows that different crops are sown together. So this is also miscropping method which is prevalent in Harappan civilization. Coming to the next one. So the next one is, 𝐈𝐀𝐒 is related to which of the following? And your options are sculpture art, a mixture made from sand and color and sticky substance, burial techniques, exclusive Rajasthani art of carving beads. And your answer would be the B, a mixture made from sand and color and sticky substance. Coming to the explanation part. Small vessels made of 𝐈𝐀𝐒 substance made by firing a mixture of ground sand and paint and sticky substance would have been considered an item of social luxury in the Harappan society, probably because they were expensive and difficult to make. So it is also a matter of status and prestige. With the help of 𝐈𝐀𝐒 we can know, and it is noteworthy that a rare objects made of expensive material and are generally found and concentrated in the big settlements like Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Probably gold was also a precious and rare as it today, and all the gold ornaments found from Harappan sites were found from the hoards. So this would be the explanation, and it also tells that golds are present in the Harappan civilization. Coming to the next one. Which of the following areas were the major centers of manufacturing of conch shell item? Mundigak, Malwad, Rangpur, Banawali, Nageshwar, Balakot, Rakhigarhi, Kalibangan. And your answer is C, Nageshwar and Balakot. Coming to the explanation. Nageshwar, Gujarat and Balakot, Pakistan were maritime settlements. So here you should know the things about Nageshwar and Balakot. These were the specialized center for the manufacture of items made of shell, which included bangles, ladles, mosaic items. From here goods were taken to the other settlements. So these are the features of the Nageshwar and Balakot. Coming to the next one, with reference to the Harappan script, which of the following statements is not correct? Here they are asking the not correct one, so you must read the instruction of the question. It was based on the alphabet, was written from right to left, something is written in one line on the seals and a symbolic picture is drawn. About 26 symbols are found in the longest inscription. So here A is the wrong one because Harappan scripts are not alphabetical, they are pictographic. So coming to the explanation part, the Harappan script was pictographic script and not alphabetic one, where symbols represent a vowel or consonant. The number of symbols in it is much higher, around 375 to 400, and it appears this script from written to right to left. Though we had not able to read that what has been written on Harappan script, but it has been assumed that it has been written from right to left, because on the seals there is a wide gap on the right side and it is narrower on the left side. So because of all these, archaeologists have analyzed that maybe it has been written from the right to left. And then something is found written in one line on the seals, probably it reflects the name and title of the owner. Harappan writings are mostly brief, about 26 symbols are found in the longest inscription. So these are the features of the Harappan inscription which are not able to discovered or read till now. Moving to the next one. In the context of Indus Valley civilization, consider and discuss the following pairs: Kalibanga, Plowfield, Sotughai canals, Lothal port. And here 1, 2, 3, which is option D is the correct, because Kalibanga, Plowfield has been found, Sotughai canals have been found, Lothal port has been found. Here you must not confuse with Sauraghora, which is located in UP. So, and it is a Mauryan site. So Sotughai is a Harappan site. Moving to the explanation part, Plowfield has been found from the, we already have told, from the Banawali, and archaeologists have also found the Plowfield from the Kalibanga, hence pair 1 is matched. And canal, most Harappan sites are located in semi-arid areas where irrigation was required for agriculture. Evidence of the existence of canals have been found in Harappan of Sotughai in Afghanistan. So here you should not confuse. So Sotughai is in Afghanistan. It is not located in present day India. Additionally, the reservoirs discovered in the Dholavira, Gujarat may have been used to store water for agriculture because of the semi-arid region, and we have found that most of the Harappan sites are found in Gujarat, Rajasthan, Western UP. So because these areas are semi-arid, so that's why water should be stored, because they don't have much abundant amount of the water. Then coming to the port, excavation at Lothal revealed that the existence of a port. Lothal was a symbol of Harappan civilization and trade between the rest of India and Mesopotamia. So Lothal also indicates that the trade was existent between India and Mesopotamia. So hence all these three pairs are the correct one. Moving to the practice question, which of the following statement is are correct? Harappans used to cultivate rice on a large scale. Harappans probably also used canal water for irrigation. Harappan settlements are divided into two parts. One is the fort and other is the lower city. Here you have to answer this in the comment section. I hope you like this session. If you have any queries related to this session, kindly ask in the comment section, and keep preparing for your examination. All the best. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.